the hardest part about being a photographer today with all these social platforms is just kind of maintaining your own vision and your own voice. Staying true to who you are aesthetically is like harder now than ever just because so much content is so accessible. No.
It's about finding your own path to a certain extent and finding your own vision, and that will make you unique over time because your voice will be shown through the images you take.
For me, being a judge in a contest like this, all these photos that are coming in really show a good sense of what the world is thinking is a good photo, and it really says something about the time we're in.
What's really interesting for me is that there's so many people traveling the globe and hiking to these unique areas and unique spaces. I've read about so many places and seen so many pictures in my life, but when I come across pictures that I've never seen before, or a culture that I've never read about before or experienced, it's just so neat to know that someone is out there doing it. Someone is out there documenting a beautiful place and a beautiful space, and I get to sit in the judge's seat and experience it through their eyes and their lens.
I've had so many very pleasant experiences while taking photos. It's fun to just debate images and talk about them and discuss what are the merits of each kind of photo. And for me, I like candid photos that are kind of like doc style photos that kind of combine beautiful white with really cool subject.
This was a really great crop of images, really hard to pare way down. And I learned a lot personally. I mean, just the variety of images, it helped me to think about, would I have taken that photo myself? Maybe I wouldn't have, but I still appreciate that it's a great photo.